We're at the Rock, Fort Irwin, California. Yeah, Rock Formation, California. All the squads, all the platoons, they put their company names on there. It's pretty cool. First stop on the way to Vegas. Harry! Oh man. Look at those mountains. Dude. This is gonna be a good trip. Coming up on the dry lake. The choppers and the tanks. God's country. Oh my gosh, look at this, just vastness. That's some like water irrigation system or I don't know what that is. All right, here we are, first stop on the Vegas Trail. Primm Valley Resort Casino. Jay Solomon there. There's the roller coaster. Fallout New Vegas fans will definitely appreciate this one. All right, let's go inside and see what this place is about. Back 9. Place looks promising. I don't think it's open. Yeah. We're here at Zoltar. I wonder what we should ask him.
I don't know. How much is it? $1.
Yeah.
Gee.
All right, we're gonna find out the answer to all of life's
An
problems right
ancient
here.
proverb for you from the great Zoltar. Be happy while you're living, for you are a long time dead. Go ahead, my friend. Get yourself a little treat today. After all, you only live once, no? Give Zoltar more monies, and I will give you more wisdom for your journey.
I don't like it.
Yeah. Well, here we are, the Bonnie and Clyde.
Oh, that's why they call it Vicky and Vance.
Yeah.
This is Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah. What is this? Oh yeah, Dutch Schultz, 31 Lincoln. Here we are, the OG, the stickiest of the icky. So where Bonnie and Clyde cashed in. Look at all that. There it is. Whiskey Days. What the hell is that place called? Whiskey Pete's?
Oh, Whiskey Pete's.
Yeah. There it is, Whiskey Pete's. I don't think we'll go in there because we'll never get out if we do. All right. Well, here we are in Goodsprings. Pioneer Saloon, Goodsprings General Store. Went out of our way based on a video game, pretty much.
No, okay, our trip is based on a video game.
Yeah. Right. So apparently you get so many questions about Fallout New Vegas and whatever that they actually have memorabilia from it. Yep.
So cool.
Nuka-Cola.
Caesar's Legion.
Yep.
New California Republic. That's so cool.
Oh, this is awesome.
Funny thing is, this is set up exactly. This is exactly like the game.
Right?
This is pretty much.
Yep.
North America. Hey, prizes, games, and free circus acts at Circus Circus.
Well.
You still go to Circus Circus,